DK Shivkumar, as we speak, is leaving from his residence. First images on your screens right now of DK Shivkumar now leaving from his house in Sadashiv Nagar, headed right here to the Chief Minister's residence. So in a couple of minutes, DK Shivkumar will be here right now. First images on your screens of the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister getting into his car, getting set to come here. Do we have Apurva with us? I'd like to get in a quick update from her as DK Shivkumar is leaving from his residence. Apurva, what's the update there? Is Shivkumar left?
Well, in fact, what you can see out here, Akshita, is DK Shivkumar there, who is seen getting into his convoy there. He is going ahead and the convoy is likely to move in as I am speaking right now. It doesn't look like DK Shivkumar might speak, but let's just try our luck and see if the CM might speak.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Hey, I'll meet all of you. I'll meet definitely.
Are you going to meet CM?
Yes, I am on the way to have a breakfast meeting with CM. I'll speak to you later.
But Apurva just about managing to get a reaction from DK Shivkumar. He says, I will meet you all. I'm going now to the Chief Minister's residence for breakfast. So confirmation of where he's headed. But beyond that, not offering much comment on what exactly will be discussed, what will be brought up. Let's cut across live again. Of chaos there, but a very brief reaction from DK Shivkumar in Kannada and in English saying, yes, I'm going now to the Chief Minister's residence. He says, I'll meet you all after this. So expect maybe a statement right after. We're standing by here at the Chief Minister's residence. You can see the media crew all waiting to get a chance to speak to DK Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister, as he makes his way into the CM's residence. I think in the next few minutes, he will be there. The next few minutes, he's going to be here at the Chief Minister's residence for the breakfast meeting. So DK Shivkumar has left now from his residence. I'll bring in Sagai Raj if he's live with me to get that quick update. Sagai, just quickly an update from you right now. What's happening there? You're right where DK Shivkumar will be arriving before he makes his way into the Chief Minister's residence. Sagai, if you can hear me. Don't think Sagai is with me. We're going to connect Sagai. Keep him connected because he's going to be getting our first frame of DK Shivkumar when he reaches the Chief Minister's residence. So we're going to connect Sagai and keep him with us on this broadcast so we get those live updates. Naga, anytime now the breakfast meet will kick off. Siddaramaiah, you had told us, will be personally meeting, welcoming DK Shivkumar.
That's true. In fact, I'm told the Chief Minister also has come down from his room and is in the hall waiting for DK Shivkumar. DK Shivkumar has left his residence. Any moment from now, 3 minutes or 4 minutes, he would be reaching Chief Minister's residence. In Sadashinagar, he stays, and this is Vasant Nagar, hardly few kilometers away. And Chief Minister is completely decked up to meet DK Shivkumar. And his mood is upbeat, is what I'm told from Chief Minister's residence, is that he's not anxious about what this meeting is turning out to be. He's meeting DK Shivkumar and personally speaking to him to say that whatever the decision of the High Command, I will abide by it. DK, I have no problem with you being the Chief Minister, but as long as High Command tells me to vacate the seat, I will be moving away from the chair as well. And DK Shivkumar is keen. He just spoke to the media saying that I will be going to speak to you very soon. And I don't know if Asif Seth is still with us. Asif ji, if you can hear us once again, the question is to you. You still haven't told us as to what exactly are these two leaders will be discussing in the breakfast meet. What will be the topic of discussion? Will DK Shivkumar tell Chief Minister Siddaramaiah saying, please give me the chair and help me become the Chief Minister?
I am not sure what they would be speaking about. But one thing I can say, whatever the High Command will decide, Mr. Shivkumar ji and our Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji will agree and go by the High Command. There is no point at all that they are not abiding by the High Command's order. There is absolute certainty in that. Absolute certainty in that. They might discuss about governance. They might be discussing about administration, or they might be discussing about so many other things.
Asif
In
ji,
fact,
for governance, do they need to have just one-on-one breakfast meeting? They met in the cabinet just 2 days ago. Oh, come on, Asif ji, how can they meet on governance when these two leaders are meeting individually, and that too after High Command told them to meet?
I was in Bangalore yesterday. I was on the dais with them. They have been very cordial and they have been meeting each other all the time. It's not the first time they're meeting. Every day they meet at least twice every day in some function or some meeting or the other. They keep on meeting.
No, but I think we'll agree, sir, that the circumstances are very different because this meeting has been mandated by the High Command, unlike others which are government events, government functions, or government work.
The High Command, there have been issues, and there have been so many issues coming out in the media as well as in the public. So they might have said, okay, sit down and sort it out. And show that we are one. Show the solidarity.
Okay. Mr. Seth, just stay with us. Yes. Sure, just stay with us. So I'll just quickly get you the live updates right now. The traffic has been completely stopped so that DK Shivkumar's convoy can move right now. In just a few moments from now, just a few minutes, you're going to see DK Shivkumar's convoy entering. They've closed off the traffic here. Yeah, they've blocked it off.
Because usually this traffic would have moved. You can already, I think, hear the sirens coming. Yes, that's DK Shivkumar who has come in.
So the convoy just entering as we speak.
As we speak. That's DK Shivkumar's pilot. You can see
and there
Mr.
you have
Shivkumar
DK
in the front seat,
entering. Yeah.
entering the Chief Minister's residence with a big namaskara to the media. And he's officially now entered the CM's quarters and the CM's house. You can see large entourage or the convoy of DK Shivkumar. And he also said that he will come back and speak to the media. All eyes will now be on what DK Shivkumar will have to say post the important breakfast meet.
Didn't stop, no interaction with the media, zoomed right into the Chief Minister's residence there. But the big update now coming in, DK Shivkumar has reached Chief Minister Siddaramaia's residence for that breakfast meeting. It will be kicking off any time now. Siddaramaiah is there personally to welcome DK Shivkumar, as in fact he will enter for this meeting mandated by the High Command.